Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting up and installing the Canon PIXMA MX392 software on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA MX392 support into Google. One of the best results should be a Canon domain here. This is Canon support for PIXMA MX392. Go ahead and open that up. And now that we're on this page here, you want to scroll down underneath software and drivers, so expand that drop down. And then underneath the third section in here, you want to locate the item that says My Printer, and then select Download next to it. Once the file is downloaded, go ahead and open it up to run it and select yes, should be a verified publisher. And then you want to proceed with the installation, so select the correct region and then country, accept the end user license terms, and if you want to change the destination folder path, you can. Otherwise, just select next. And then once that is done, you can create a desktop shortcut, which we're going to select and keep that check marked. And if you were to open up that shortcut, you can see additional printer settings in here. If you selected diagnose and repair printer, that option is for if you're unable to connect to your printer. You can try doing some troubleshooting steps through here. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.